After leaving Alturas on a short stretch of tar and more heavenly forest roads, summit your final fire lookout atop Sugar Hill, elevation 7,267. Cross CR9 for a blissful spin up fresh pavement and well-packed dirt to a moderately challenging section descending an off-camber forested road that sees very little usage. Then splish splash through a few creek crossings and into historic Fort Bidwell, with a restaurant and inn occupying the same building that beckons any weary rider. The final miles of this route are as impressive as the first, as you meander through dense pine forest with abundant camping opportunities before descending to Highway 395 and up to the Oregon border. There's no fuel here, so take Highway 395 back 39 miles to Alturas or 13 miles north to Lakeview, Oregon. Congratulations on completing an epic adventure, the adventure of the Northern California Backcountry Discovery Route.